Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for Bank of America online banking account. If you want to enroll for Bank of America online banking account, then you have come to the right video. The process is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of your registration process, you will have access to your bank account online. Then you can easily transfer money to another person's bank account through online banking. Also, you can check the transaction history and make a payment too. However, you might get charged for this service, but if you want to enroll for the Bank of America online banking account, all you need to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. So to get started, first go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for bankofamerica.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto Enroll option in order to register for your Bank of America online banking account. Now you will be directed to the registration page of Bank of America. But before you get started, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You will need to have your Bank of America account number, a social security number or a tax ID, or a debit or ATM pin. So if you have the required documents, go to the card text field and enter the last 6 digits of the account number. Then enter the social security number or a tax ID number. Then you'll be provided with 2 more rows where you can enter your debit card or ATM card number and an ATM card or debit card pin. So once you have entered the details for your registration form, go and tap and continue. Then you will land onto another page where you have to enter your personal details. Once done, go and tap and continue, and you will land onto the page where you have to create your credentials. So create a strong password for your account and tap and continue. On the other page, you might need to verify your mobile number, or you will be just directed to the page where you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, tap and register, and you will have successfully registered for Bank of America online banking account. So the next time you want to log into your Bank of America online banking account, you can do it with your online ID and a passcode that you have set while registering for this account. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.